I'm Lily.
And I'm Fern.
And this is Greenhouse Cooking.
Today we are making a cytokinin casserole. So first you'll need a casserole dish, a spoon for mixing, a whisk, and we have our ingredients. We'll need 2 tablespoons of salt, a cup of apple blossom flavoring, plant shreds or shredded plant, either one is fine, like a cup of it, and then 2 cups of plant stalks, tablespoon of organic matter, and half a cup of seeds, and
we're finally going to chop up some moss to add as the base of our dish. You're going to want about a cup of moss, and you're going to cut it until it is finely chopped.
Okay, so let's start then. So first, let's put the moss into
our mixing bowl. Try not to get it everywhere. And then, don't kill anybody.
Let's add the plant shreds.
If you do not have plant shreds at home, you can always get grass at your local butcher.
Okay. And then you want to add the plant stalks?
Of course. Now you want to add in about half of the bowl. You don't need too much. It's just to add a lot of flavor and some texture.
And now we're mixing it up.
Finally, we're going to add some of our organic matter to the mix.
It looks great.
You're just going to sprinkle about a tablespoon on top of the mixture.
Keep going.
We really like our organic matter.
Alright, that's good.
Once you have all that, you're probably going to want to whisk it to bring some air into the dish. You want to make sure it's nice and fluffy. So you want to take the spoon. Maybe not at the same time.
Or at the same time.
Or at the same time.
Okay, I think it's pretty well mixed.
I think so.
Now, oh, and a dash of salt.
Keeping in mind a dash and not a handful.
Alright. Now we put it into the casserole dish.
Once you have added it to the casserole dish, make sure you spread it out evenly. We want a nice layer. I think that's good. Now on top of the dish, you're going to want to add a layer of seeds. It's going to add a lot of crunch.
First, you put the apple blossom flavoring on it. And a nice glaze. That's good.
And then we're just going to use the seeds as our topping. You really want to coat the entire thing with these seeds.
Maybe a little bit more apple blossom flavoring.
And finally, we're going to put this in the stove, and then we will be right back.
Oven, actually.
That too. Wish I had a bigger leaf.
Hey, you!
Me?
Yeah, you. Are you tired of small leaves?
I think
Do you
so.
want your leaves to be bigger?
Yeah!
Then I have the perfect product for you called Cytokinins.
Tell me more.
Let's start by adding some cytokinins. 3 drops should do. Boom! Wow! Look how much it's grown! And all this can be yours for the low, low price of $19.99 plus shipping and handling. And if you order in the next 5 minutes, we will double that offer. Yes, I mean double that offer. And just for fun, we will throw in this Fern and Lily's Greenhouse Cookbook. So order now!
Huh. Hello? I'd like to order some cytokinins, please.
We're back with greenhouse cooking. Before you left, we were making cytokinins casserole.
And now, after 45 minutes in the oven, it's finally done.
Let's take a look at how it turned out. And if everyone looks at it, our cytokinins turned out fantastic. So what can you do with cytokinins? Well, for one, you can spray it on your plants and it'll stimulate cell division, which causes morphogenesis, which is the shoot initiation and bud formation.
And it also stimulates growth of the lateral buds and release of apical dominance, where the main stem is dominant over the other side stems.
It also stimulates leaf expansion. But you should note that plant cells do not make cytokinins. You have to buy it in soil fertilizer or make it at home with greenhouse cooking.
So, we just sprayed this plant with cytokinins, and we previously sprayed a plant yesterday, and now it's big, and it has flowers and big leaves.
And look how much it has grown. So tune in next week for next week's episode when we explore more uses of cytokinins here on Greenhouse Cooking.